When people ask me, am I happy with Shasta? Am I satisfied with Shasta? I smile. They see my pool, they know I'm satisfied because it's a beautiful addition to the grounds, to the yard, to the home, and I was extremely satisfied with everything, top to bottom. My name is Bob Allen, I'm in Sun City West, Arizona. I'm happy because of the overall project, the way it was done, the way it was handled, was very professional. Right from the start, the salesperson, Dave Gabhart, came out and he totally informed us of every step of the process of the pool. The design process with Shasta, it was magical. Basically takes your backyard, makes it come alive, puts the kind of pool that you're starting with in the place where it's supposed to be, and there you have it. Everything went according to plan, no surprises, and it was done in a very satisfactorily and timely fashion. I definitely recommend Shasta Pools Spas because I want people to at least to get the experience of a sales person that comes out and is not just strictly business. It's one that I know what a pool means to a family, I know what a pool means to a home. Let's talk about it from that angle. And that's very refreshing. That's something that I don't think people even think about until after it happens.